So of course I'll have to wash the windows and all that, and then I'll look through these closets, and I notice that there's some racks that need to be readjusted, and I'll do all that. I want to get this looking like nobody was here and that it's all ready to be offered for sale. Okay, and so I see there's a light fixture right there that I had installed previously, and that's going down at an angle. I'm gonna have to adjust that, and it looks like I might have to adjust something else. And here's the exhaust fan cover. I've got to tweak that and fix that. And before, if you had seen my videos, I had painted this whole entire bathroom. I put 2 coats of white semi-gloss paint on here. I put 1 coat on the walls, and I see that they've done some other stuff over there. And I left the area where it looks like it needs to be patched, and I didn't do anything different than that. I thought if we want to cover that, see, I'll touch up this, okay? But this line here, that line there, if you can see those, I'm gonna leave that. We could put a picture there. You can put a medicine cabinet there because there's no medicine cabinet. They should have had a medicine cabinet there, but they didn't. You can put a little cabinet there and put washcloths and towels there and toilet paper and that kind of stuff with doors on there and a little shelf down at the bottom. You can do anything you want. Okay, and it looks like I did not install any towel bars. Initially there was just 1 towel bar here, and I had taken that out to paint this, and I was meaning to do that before the renters came. They didn't, and I knew they weren't going to use this bathroom anyways because it was just 2 people, and they ended up using the bathroom in the master bedroom. But here, this is a small bathroom, but instead of just putting 1 towel rack there, I'm going to get 2, and then I'm going to put stacked, 1 up high, 1 down low. Okay, that way it gives them a little bit more room. You could also put 1 back behind here if you want, and then if you did that, I would take the door bumper, and I would put an extra long door bumper down there so that this door doesn't close any further, and then it won't bend your towel bar if you ended up putting a towel bar back there. I'm not going to. I'm just going to put them here on the wall. Okay, and so I'll end up doing that. What else did I have to do? Oh, I was going to paint. Oh, oops. I'm going to take you back upstairs. I was showing you this bathroom, what I had done to that, and before, after we moved out, I never got a chance to paint this bathroom. Okay, and so this bathroom looks exactly like it did before. It has the tan ceilings, the tan walls. So I'm going to put 2 coats of white paint on the ceiling, and then I'll put a coat of paint of semi-gloss on the walls that matches this here. I'll also clean the floors, and I'm going to seal. I'm going to put 2 coats of sealer on the floors, as well as the entire shower area. And I'm thinking about doing this countertop too, because you can see the little nodules on here. You see that? That means, and the floor is exactly the same. Okay, so that means that I can put sealer over this and have it not slip. I'm going to put. I've got some stuff, and I'll show you that later. It's a floor sealer, but I'm going to actually do the counter too, because the counter tile and the sides and that small little backsplash is the same kind of tile that they use down on the floor and in the shower. Okay, so that'll make that look good, and that'll finish that off. Before I paint, I'll take the towel bars back down. See how I ran the towel bars up high, 1 down low, and I made it for the longer towels so that when you fold the towels over, you don't have the top long towel hitting the bottom, or you don't have the bottom towel hitting the floor or anything like that. Okay, and so I'll end up doing that. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos, and I'm glad you're watching. If you like my channel, subscribe. The only reason why I make these videos is to try to help you Save money around the house.